Hello beautiful ones, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning into this channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful hairband. Okay, we'll be making this gorgeous hairband, easy to wear gorgeous hairband, and we'll be needing these few things for this tutorial. We're needing this fabric material, this stretchy fabric material, our tape, our chalk, our scissors, and our pin balls. Okay, now go ahead to fold your fabric by 5 plus sewing allowance, making it 5 inches. Okay, just fold into 2 and measure this way. Then for the length, we are using 22 inches. Okay, we are using 22 inches for the length of this headband. All right, 22 inches, that's what we are using. Then go ahead to cut out what you've measured. This is what we've measured so far. Unfold. So go ahead to give it a stitch, go to your machine and make a straight stitch on that place, then bring it back. I've done that already and I've torn it. Then this is where the real deal is. Okay, hold the 2 edges just like this. Okay, the stitch side meeting the other stitch side. Okay, then take the other side to the left one, then use the remaining side to flip to the back side, then use the other one to flip to the front side. Either you flip it to the back side or you flip it to the front side. Any which way, you still derive same shape and same design. Okay, either you flip to the back or you flip to the front. So now go ahead to make a stitch on that and trim out the excesses. Okay, I've done that and I'm trimming it out. Just watch the outcome of this our headband. Okay, just flip it this way and voila, this is the outcome. Okay, this is the outcome of this beautiful headband. So beautiful. You can put it on your wig, you can slay it on your natural hair, you can use it to style your hair any which way you want it. Okay, this is so beautiful. And while doing that, make sure you use a stretchy material. Okay, so my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please do well to give us a subscribe and always turn your notification bell. Share this video to your loved ones, and thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.